Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So this video is for just for updating you regarding this BARC 2020 exam. Okay, so there is an update on BARC official website that they will take the supplementary exam for the students those who could not appear for BARC 2020 in March, and that was because of COVID situation. Okay, so that was basically the beginning of COVID-19 in India, and many of the students did not appear for the exams because of traveling issues. They did not travel to their examination cities that was very far from their home. That's why they filed a complaint that they did not appear for the BARC 2020 exam. So that's why BARC committee has decided that they will take the supplementary exam for those students, those who were eligible for this exam but could not appear for the exam. Okay, so who can write this exam? I will tell you one by one. Okay, so those students who were not appear for the GATE exam from 14th March of 2020 and to 18th March 2020. Okay, so someone who are eligible but did not appear for BARC 2020 in between this date 14th to 18th March 2020, so they can write this supplementary exam. Okay, so what you need to do for this supplementary exam? Just you need to fill the examination slot. Okay, so you need to book online slot book. Okay, so how you can do this slot booking? Just go through the official website and do the login on this website. I will put that link in description for BARC official website. You can do the login and you can choose the preferred city. Okay, in which you want to write exam. Okay, so you can choose the preferred exam city in between. So there is a deadline for this also. So you can fill this from 19th October 2020, and this will start sharp at 9:30 a.m. Okay, and to up to 24th October 2020. Okay, so they give the this 19th October to 14th October 2020. In between you have to choose your preferred exam city for online exam. Okay, so and those who are not appear for this at this time, only those student can fill this choice. Okay, so suppose if you are appear suppose if you are there in exam in March 2020, so you cannot fill this. This is for only those who missed their exam. Okay, but they are eligible for this exam. So this is the update from BARC website. So at the same time, when you will fill the this online slot booking, at the same day or at the same time, you can download your admit card for BARC 2020. Okay, so once you will fill this choice, you can download this admit card immediately. And suppose someone who are not able to fill this form, so automatically they will give you a city. Okay, those who are left. Okay, so for getting the your preferred city, you can fill as earlier as possible, because they have already written that this is basically for first come first serve. Okay, so that's why you need to fill this examination center as soon as possible. Okay, thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this update regarding BARC 2020 exam. So don't worry. If you did not write your exam in between 14th October to from 14th of March to 18th of the March, so you can again write your BARC exam. So please fill your exam preferred city. Okay, thank you.